Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green onions in your garden. First, select a sunny spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure your soil is well drained and rich in organic matter. You can start your green onions from tiny seeds, small sets, or even by replanting the white ends from store-bought bunches. This simple preparation sets the stage for a successful and flavorful harvest. When planting seeds, sow them about 1/2 inch deep and approximately 1 inch apart in rows. If using sets, which are small bulbs, plant them 2 inches deep with about 4 inches of space between each one. For kitchen scraps, simply place the white root end in a shallow glass of water until roots develop, then transfer to soil. Proper spacing is key for healthy development. Consistent watering is crucial. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Fertilize your green onions every 3 to 4 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage vigorous growth. Watch out for common pests like onion maggots or thrips. Inspect your plants regularly and address any issues promptly to maintain a healthy, thriving crop. You can begin harvesting your green onions when the stalks are about 6 to 8 inches tall. To harvest, simply snip off the outer leaves with scissors, leaving at least 1 inch of the white base in the ground. This method allows the plant to regrow, providing you with multiple harvests from a single planting. Enjoy the fresh flavor in your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.